BMW G11, G10. Self-opening this window, rear window. It stands and sudden opening when you're driving also. So what I found, here is button, and this button is full with water. Must to change that. I'm not sure how it's changing, but I took out this plastic from here, and here is connector for that button. So just disconnect this connector and finish. Leave like that. More better than opening self when you're driving and irritating. It's temporary fix until you'll get, I'm not sure, new window or new button. So, like that, BMW rear glass opening problem.